Hey, so today I've got a bunch of people coming to fish. I've got like over 40 people that have signed up to come fish with me today on this lake. I do an FFA fishing day a couple times a year. I've got kids that are confirmed from 8 different schools coming to fish with us today. No telling what we're gonna catch in this lake. This lake has got some giant fish. Had a guy tell me they've caught and released a 13-pound bass in here. So we'll see what the guys catch today. Hey, so we're here at the lake this morning. Had my eye exam today, so I got on these dark glasses under my safety glasses, but we're about to weed eat around the lake and get it ready. We're bringing the FFA kids on Monday to do a little fishing, so we're getting set up. Jesse and Jeremy gonna help me, and we're gonna do a little mowing. We got quite the turnout so far. There's probably 20 people down there fishing already. Me and Colton are blowing up these sharks. That's what I was gonna mark the turn into the lake, but we got 2 pounds of minnows and got my amped outdoor lithium over there powering that bubbler. Got the Yeti, got some hose. We're gonna have a bonfire later, and I got some crickets and worms in that other bucket. But we're blowing up our mascots for the fence and grabbed a few fishing poles. So we are set up for whatever we catch today. Got some big fish in this lake, so stay tuned and let's see what we get. Brought a few big rods today because last time we were here, one of the ladies caught an 18-pound catfish. So I brought something a little heavier for us to use on a few of them. All right, let's see what you got. Oh, you got a crappie.
I got 2.
You caught 2 of these already. Wow. What are you using, little minnows?
Yeah.
Yep, pretty nice. All right, you just want to lay that fin down right there so you don't get stuck and put him back. All right, cool. Oh, you already got one and got it back?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's awesome. Wow. What you need, bait? Yep, worms and crickets both. I got 100 crickets there. That bluegill tear up them crickets. Nice. What'd you catch him on?
I think it was a
minnow.
yeah.
All right, cool, Matt.
Stupid little bluegill.
Oh man, a little bluegill, nothing.
Me into it.
Look at that thing. Good grief.
Yeah, Miss Casper.
That is nice. He swam right in a bush, but look at the size of that thing.
Yeah.
That is nice. For what it is, that's big. I think that's actually a shell cracker. He's got that little yellow right there on his ear. That's nice.
Not what I was going for, Gary.
Okay, we're gonna get you a bigger bait. So guys, this is a Palomar I'm tying on here. You go through the eye and then you go back through the eye. So you got a loop on this side. Then you take that loop and you tie an overhand knot with it. Get that tail to stay up there out of the way. And you pull that loop over your hook and then you cinch it back down. And that's your Palomar. It's just simple. Not the highest break strength knot there is, but definitely a quick and easy knot. What'd you catch that on?
Just a
little shiner?
Yeah.
Little minnow? Cool.
Come on, keep going.
Grab your.
Come on, you got it. Come on, Isaac. What we got there? Say cheese.
I don't know.
Say cheese, guys.
Wear knot right there, just for added security. And try to make it as close to your knot as you can. And then take the rest of it and pull that back through. See how that knot is preventing it from being pulled back through? That ain't coming off. That I can promise you.
And what's that knot called?
That's the Dalton knot.
The Dalton knot.
I don't know what it's called. I literally came up with it.
What'd you catch it on?
Oh, a big old minnow.
Big minnow. Yep, channel cat.
Oh, he's biting me.
Let go of him. You got him held. You don't have to keep your finger
We
in
need
there.
pliers or something.
All right, y'all catching any?
Yeah, I got one.
You did? Oh, you got one right now.
Yeah.
Caught him on the minnow.
And you got your. Wait.
Amelia, you got one too.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh my God.
Oh, she's got one right now too, look.
Pick it up. Thank you.
You're welcome. Y'all gonna take a picture?
Another one.
Oh man, look at that.
Oh, no, let's take a picture. You ready?
Let's see if I can do this Jansik knot on a video. I've done this knot a couple of times, but not filming it. So you go through the eye once, then you go back through the eye twice. I don't think I brought enough line over here. Let's bring a little more line. Okay. So now I've got the line through there twice, and I made that loop. Then I'm gonna go back one more time. I forgot to bring my glasses today, so struggling a little bit, but I think I got that through there. Again, yep. Okay, so now we got 2 loops, okay? We went through the eye 3 times and we have 2 loops. So get these loops together. Then you're gonna take and bring this end through the loop 3 times. So now I brought that in through 3 times. Then I'm going to hold the hook and I'm going to tighten that up. And that is the Jansik. So for some of y'all that tie lots of knots, work on that one and see if you can get that one down. It's really simple too. I'm actually trying to teach a 5-year-old how to tie that. So stay tuned for that video.
Oh my God. Wow. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, maybe you are good.
Jesse, you got your scale? What'd you catch him on?
A minnow?
Minnow, yep.
5.66.
5.66, pretty nice.
That's an awesome fish, dude.
My grandpa, he loves fishing. He's a fisherman,
Yeah.
and he taught me how to do this. He said if it goes under, I have to pull a string.
That's right, straight up.
Get up.
Let's see if I can tie a Snell knot on this thing. So I'm gonna pull the line through, parallel to the hook. Then I'm gonna make a loop on the parallel there. It's got to be big enough for me to work with, so that's probably about right. So I'm holding that loop, then I'm gonna take this end and I'm gonna wrap it around that hook through that loop, seven or 8 times. This may take 15 minutes with my fingers, but we'll get there. There's 2. This is not my favorite knot. Sometimes I tie them better than others. Bigger line helps me a lot. I think that's still number 6. That might be 7. There's 8. And there's 9. Okay. So we've got our little knots down through there. Then we're just going to take and pull this tight with our main line. It's supposed to all stay down here. And that's the Snell. It does not look like I got 7 loops there, but that is a Snell knot. Then you just trim off your tag line. And the neat thing about the Snell is the harder this main line pulls against the hook, the tighter the knot gets. A lot of people love the Snell knot. But with that little line, that was not much fun to tie. But I've seen people tie with a lot smaller than that too. So that's the Snell, and that's a real popular knot too.
Wow.
Here it comes. Yeah, you need to lift it up.
Here. Wait.
Okay, reel down on it. Reel down. There you go. Now pick up. There you go. Now y'all got it? Okay. Wow, look at that crappie.
Wow,
Man,
okay.
what you got there? Crappie. All right. Yeah, awesome. If you love fishing, please subscribe.